Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Green and Sklar's and Tax Rep Network. So we've been telling you to make sure you're pricing appropriately. The first step in building $1 million practice, if that's what you want, but the first step is making sure you're charging appropriately and you collect what you're owed, right? That's easy. But the question always comes up, well, how do I know where my prices are? How do I check this? No problem. SmartPath has you covered. They've got a complete database of what people are charging for that service. So you can actually audit what you're charging your current clients and adjust your prices accordingly so you get paid what you're owed, make the money you deserve, and you can do it confidently knowing that you are in line with where, other professionals are. So if you want, go check out SmartPath. I'm going to put the link in the description below. All right. And if you mention Eric Green, they will give you a free audit of your current clients. All right. That's huge. This way, at the very least, you can make sure you're in line and use SmartPath to properly price new engagements and maximize what you make for the effort and start building that practice that you always wanted.